The engineers at Robson Forensic frequently investigate incidents involving electrocutions and electrical shock injuries. An electric shock occurs when an electrical current flows through the human body. This can cause effects ranging from minor pain and muscle contractions to severe burns, cardiac arrest, or even death. It's important to note that electrocution specifically refers to death caused by an electric shock. The severity of an electric shock depends on three main factors: the amount of current, the duration of the current, the path the current takes through the body. Electricity needs a complete circuit to flow. For an electric shock to occur, there must be 2 points of contact on the body where the current enters and exits. A voltage difference between these points is what allows the current to flow. Without 2 points of contact at different voltages, no shock occurs. This explains why birds can perch safely on high-voltage power lines. They only touch the circuit at one point, with both feet on the same wire at the same voltage. Common points of contact for humans include hands, arms, and feet. Often, a person stands on the ground when they touch a live wire, effectively making 2 points of contact, the wire and the earth. The amount of current that flows during a shock depends on the voltage difference between the 2 contact points and the body's resistance. This follows Ohm's law. Current, I, equals voltage, V, divided by resistance, R. Higher voltages lead to higher currents, which are more dangerous. The length of time the current flows through the body is also crucial. A short shock at a lower current might only cause pain, but the same shock lasting longer could be deadly. In investigations of electrical injuries, biomechanical engineers often analyze the duration and severity of exposure to understand its impact. You might have heard the saying, "Electricity takes the path of least resistance." In reality, electricity takes all available paths, but more current flows through the path of least resistance. The path the current takes through your body greatly affects the injury. For instance, if the current passes through the heart, it can cause severe damage, including cardiac arrest. Forensic investigations involving electrocutions and electrical shock injuries can be related to consumer products, workplace exposures, and electrical utilities. Contact us to be connected with an expert whose background aligns with the disputed issues in your case.